In a hydrogen-like ion, the energy difference between the second excited energy state and ground state is 108.8 electron volt. The atomic number of the ion is. So the energy difference between the second excited state to the ground state is 108.8. We have to find the atomic number of the ion. Now we know that the energy of a atom of hydrogen like atom in a state n is minus 13.6 Z square divided by n square electron volt. So the energy of the second excited state, that is second excited state, is n is equal to 3. So E3 is equal to minus 13.6 divided by 3 square is 9 Z square electron volt. And energy of the ground state, that is E1, is equal to minus 13.6 divided by 1 square is 1 Z square electron volt. Now the difference of energy is given 108.8, that is E3 minus E1. So E3 minus E1 is equal to minus 13.6 by 9 Z square, minus of minus, that is plus 13.6 by 1 Z square. Now this is given as 108.8 electron volt. So if we take minus 13.6 as common, so plus 13.6 Z square as common, then it becomes 1 minus 1 by 9 is equal to 108.8, or Z square is equal to 108.8 divided by 13.6, and 1 minus 1 by 9 is 8 by 9. So if we take this, then it becomes 9 by 8. Now 13.6 times 8 is equal to 108.8, and 8 and 8 cancels, so Z square becomes 9. So Z square becomes 9, so Z becomes root over of 9 equal to 3. So the value of atomic number of the ion is Z equal to 3. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe my channel and share this video. Thank you.